All right, so we're out here throwing around some plastics. That's our goal today. We got K-Ray. Say hi.
Hi.
We're gonna see how this goes. It's a little windy, but I don't know. This pond's got some big bass in it, so we'll try. We're throwing this YUM Crawbug today. Just kind of working it a little bit. Oh, we got it. Oh, that's a nice one. Come here, bud guy. Come on. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, he just smoked it. Not a bad little 2.5. See you later, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Let's hook up right there. Watch that tree. I was moving that thing fairly fast. Let's try over there. A bunch of weeds right there. we go. Holy moly. I can't tell if he's big or not. My guess right now is yeah, it is. Oh my gosh. Holy smokes. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! Man. He was barely hooked too. Go get that scale. Please be recording. Yes, I got it recorded. Oh man. Ladies and gentlemen, that there is a Oklahoma farm pond, Garvin County bass right there. Oh man. Whew. Look at that. I mean, he is gorgeous.